While recent reports have pointed to a decline in camera sales, the photo editing software market is only getting stronger. As of this year, the market size sits at around $760 million, and that number is expected to grow to more than $1 billion in the next 5 years. Hello everyone, this is James from 9to5software.com. Here, we'll look at some of the best photo editing software for photographers currently available on the market and also include further options to consider as you can opt for specific expense tracker apps or even customer accounts. Check out the links in the comments to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. Corel Paintshop Pro. Corel Paintshop Pro is a capable and one of the most inexpensive photo editing software tools out there. Some photographers call it an Adobe Photoshop alternative, but it lacks Photoshop's most advanced flagship features including camera shake reduction, 3D modeling, faces liquefy, detailed typography, among others. However, if you want a software for basic yet effective image editing, then Corel Paintshop Pro is not a bad option. Just don't expect it to be as shrewd as its other more advanced counterparts. One thing we like about Corel Paintshop Pro is that it's flexible enough to be used by photographers and graphic designers alike. On the photo editing front, you can take advantage of stock effects and sizable collection of brushes. Several preset enhancements are powered by artificial intelligence. The software analyzes your images and chooses the right enhancements to make. When it comes to art creation, Corel provides you with powerful tools. They can be used to create photorealistic images or simple vector graphics. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop deserves a special mention in any article about the best editing software. After all, the name Adobe Photoshop is pretty synonymous with photo editing by now. It is one of the most popular photo editing software tools on the market. Photoshop is the primary tool for its legions of fans across the world, including designers, artists, and illustrators. Unlike Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop is meticulously designed for professionals who need all the advanced features in one package. You name an editing feature and the chances are Photoshop will have it. Initially, you get a 1-week free trial. Adobe Photoshop comes bundled with Creative Cloud storage of 100 GB. Its annual plan costs around $20 per month. The Creative Cloud photography plan includes Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom for photo management. Adobe Lightroom. It's impossible to ignore Adobe Lightroom when talking about the best photo editing software for photographers. In fact, Adobe products are considered the gold standard when it comes to image editing software. If Photoshop comes off as too complex and cumbersome, then you're sure to love Lightroom's simple, beginner-friendly interface. Lightroom's clean and easy workspace allows you to focus on what's important, your image. The left-hand panel gives you quick access to your image library so you can toggle between photos as you edit. Within the right-hand panel, you'll find drop-down menus for making quick adjustments, adding keywords to your images, and more. In order to really get into your photo editing, you'll need to access Lightroom's horizontal tabs along the top of your workspace. All of your basic and advanced photo editing tools live in the Develop module. From there, you can manipulate your photos with lens correction, split toning, effects, and other basic adjustments. Having a centralized panel for all your photo editing tools sets Lightroom apart and makes it super intuitive to use. And in the Develop module's left-hand panel, Lightroom keeps stock of your photo edits in a drop-down label history. That way, you can easily scroll back through your image edits, make changes and review your edits before saving them in a custom preset. Also, you may notice that Lightroom gives you a guided walkthrough of each module the first time you open the program after downloading the software. Unlike some other in-app tours, Lightroom's tutorial hits all the highlights so you don't miss a thing. With this brief introduction alone, you'll be able to get started on your own edits.